Hello students, welcome to a video tutorial guide brought to you by the Tons of Fun and Learning channel. For this tutorial series, we'll be exploring Canva Video Editor, a free video editing software within the Canva platform. For the first part of this tutorial, I'll first introduce the video editor itself, as well as the overall basic interface, its features, and how to export your first video. Just a reminder, before you can proceed to Canva Video Editor, make sure to log into your Canva account if you have one, else you will have to sign up for one. Now with that out of the way, let's carry on with the video. Now once you have successfully logged into your Canva account, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage where here, you will see many design options to choose from. In order to access the video editor, hover your mouse over the video button. Once you've done that, a window will appear on your screen which will give you a basic selection of different screen sizes for your video to choose from. Down below are pre-made video template designs for you to also start with. For the sake of this beginner's tutorial, we'll start with the very first option, the landscape video. Once you have selected your option, it will immediately load your newly created blank video, consisting of a white blank 5-minute page. If you look over to the left of your screen, you will see an interface of different categories for the video editor. Currently, it is set on design by default. You can click to select one of the categories here, then you can add objects from the selections directly into the video by dragging them into the interface. If you go over to the top while you have an object selected, you can edit the colors by clicking on the current color, then moving over to the left to select one from the palette. You can even add an outline to the element. If you go down below the video interface, you will see your blank video page with the red circle element here, which currently lasts up to 5 seconds. We can change how long this video page lasts. For this page, let's change it to 10 seconds. Now that there's at least one element for this introductory demonstration of the interface, let's try to preview the video. Seems like our video lasts up to 10 seconds as intended, with the red circle in the center. Because we did not edit how long it will last during the full video, it will last from the start to the end. We'll cover that in the later part of this series. Otherwise, this video works as intended, so let's export this. If you wish to save your video, go over to the upper right section of your screen and click on the share button. Then click on download. Set your settings to your choice, then click on the download button to proceed. Now that you have exported your video, first lesson of the Canva Video Editor tutorial series ends here. Move on to the second lesson to learn how to import, edit, and trim videos in Canva Video Editor.